Buying a home is about so much more than just the purchase price. Stick with us and we'll reveal 6 additional costs that you need to factor in to avoid derailing your budget.
Number 1, home inspection. There's no such thing as a perfect home, so having a qualified home inspector come through the property to assess it is a critical step in the home buying process. Inspections can cost anywhere between $400 and $600, but if you're moving to a rural community or somewhere out in the boonies, you can expect that to increase because you may need inspections on things such as the septic system or the well. Those costs could increase upwards to $1,500 to $2,000. Hiring a qualified home inspector can help give you clarity on any potential issues with the home before you decide whether or not you want to finalize the purchase.
Number 2, the deposit. The deposit is an upfront amount that is required with your offer or within 24 hours of your offer, which will ultimately go towards your down payment. With the deposit, there's no required amount. We typically recommend our buyers have immediate access to about 5% of the purchase price. If you're looking at $1 million home, we would recommend having $50,000 readily available. Why do we recommend 5%? There's a variety of reasons, but essentially the stronger your deposit, the stronger the seller's confidence will be in your commitment to the deal.
Number 3, mortgage insurance. If you're putting down less than 20% on a property, that is called a high ratio mortgage and requires mortgage insurance to protect the lender against the buyer defaulting on the property. Mortgage insurance is usually added to your mortgage payment and isn't paid up front, and that premium will vary depending on your down payment and the purchase price of the property. If you want to figure out what that loan amount is, you can go to the CMHC loan calculator online and that'll help you out. So while the mortgage insurance premium might increase your mortgage payments slightly, the good news is it gets you into the market at a lower initial investment.
Number 4, legal fees and disbursement. Listen, real estate transactions require lawyers and lawyers cost money. Lawyers cover essential services such as making sure the property title is clear of any liens or encumbrances, and also will handle transfer of ownership to you on closing day. For that reason, we recommend buyers budget approximately $2,000 to $2,500 for legal fees.
Number 5, land transfer tax. Who doesn't love paying more taxes? Unfortunately, when you purchase a house, you can expect to pay a land transfer tax. That tax is calculated as a percentage of the purchase price, and if you're like me and not good at math, you can also go online and find a calculator to calculate that amount for you. The good news is, in Ontario, the government will give a rebate back to first-time buyers of up to $4,000. The bad news is, if you want to live in Toronto, expect to pay an additional land transfer tax called a municipal land transfer tax, which will effectively double the amount owed. As of February, in Durham Region, the average price for a home was around $897,000, so any buyer expecting to purchase a house of that price can expect a land transfer tax of $14,415.
Number 6, moving costs. Moving costs can vary depending on the distance, the volume of belongings, and also whether or not you're hiring professional movers. But hey, if you've got good friends, a few pizzas might get the job done for a lot less than hiring the pros. To be on the safe side, we recommend budgeting around $1,000 for a local move, knowing that that cost can increase significantly for any longer distances. While these expenses are part of the home buying journey, thankfully they form a small piece of a much bigger picture. In our opinion, the benefits of owning a home, such as building equity and truly creating a space that's yours, can far outweigh these upfront costs. And that's where having a knowledgeable realtor in your corner makes all the difference. At Paradigm Realty Group, we're here to ensure that you are prepared and confident heading into your next chapter.
Share this with a friend who's house hunting and follow us for more real estate tips.